In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a fundamental skill that can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency when working with PDF documents. Whether you need to extract information for a project, highlight important passages for study, or simply gather data, selecting text is a crucial aspect of interacting with PDFs. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open your PDF document with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. To do this, launch the Adobe Acrobat Pro D application on your computer. Once the program is open, navigate to File in the top left corner, click it and select Open. You'll then be prompted to locate your PDF file stored on your computer. Find the document you want to edit and click Open to load it into Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once your PDF is open, you should see the default toolbar at the top of the application. This toolbar provides a range of tools that you can use to interact with your document. By default, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC usually opens with the Select tool already active. This tool is essential for selecting text within your document. However, if you notice that it's not the active tool, you'll need to activate it manually. On the toolbar, look for an icon that resembles a cursor. This is the Select tool. Click on it to ensure it's the active tool. Now that your Select tool is ready, you're set to choose the text you want to work with. Click your mouse at the very beginning of the section you aim to select. It's crucial to position the cursor accurately to start highlighting at the precise spot. Once clicked, hold down the mouse button and drag the cursor steadily across the text you wish to highlight. Continue dragging until you've reached the end of the desired section. The text will be highlighted as you go, indicating it has been successfully selected. And there you have it, you've now mastered the technique of selecting text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Remember, practice makes perfect. If at first you don't succeed, don't hesitate to repeat these steps. Also, always ensure your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is up to date to leverage the latest tools and features Adobe offers. By developing fluency in these basic actions, you'll find yourself navigating and managing PDF documents with increased confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have a great day and happy editing.